session of CEO Speaks, we will be talking about how the pandemic has affected the IT sector, because the Indian IT sector has seen a lot of hits and a lot of misses during the pandemic, and I would like to know what exactly you would think about this matter.
I think the sector as such. I think relatively speaking, compared to many other sectors, IT sector is actually least affected because of our ability to work remote and all that stuff. So, from a business point of view, it is not actually, relatively speaking, not immensely affected. And maybe it could have even some sectors, some part of it could have even gained because of the remote working and all that stuff. Uh, I think from a people angle and a personal angle, it's a mixed thing. Because I think one way people are, don't need to commute and all that stuff. That's been favorable, but also kind of be not able to collaborate, not able to go out and meet people, have that social, social interactions has impacted many. And also working from home, like seems like, and with the no all the time, it's like there is no difference between the weekday and weekend and all that stuff. So that has, from a social and a personal point of view, it has had an impact. From a business angle, I don't think the impact is either favorable or not so severe.
So you could say that the negative way in which the IT industry has primarily been affected is there is a lack of collaboration, and social interaction is much less.
Yeah, from a people angle, it has impacted. Yes, that's right.
Is there any positive way in which the IT industry has been impacted by the pandemic?
I think I think yes, there is actually, in my view, I think there has been a lot more positive rather than negative overall if we put everything together, because I think we all have learned, like, this is the first global test where we have proven ourselves that we can work for an extended period in a remote, be productive and get the job done, right? That's a huge that is a huge leap. Even though technology was there, the tools were there, it was not really tested out. This is the first time it's been tested out. So I think this is going to have a significant impact on how the business is going to be done, technology is going to be done, and how people are going to collaborate going forward. It's going to definitely have a huge impact, and this is going to have very, very long term, very, very big impact. No question about it.
I can agree with that. And another question I have is how do you feel the pandemic has affected the Indian offshore job market?
I think the offshore job market will be actually, it will grow, because what has happened is there is no more basically what has become from a technology perspective, going forward, the remote has become a norm. So going forward, working from office is going to be kind of uh, is going to be kind of as needed basis. So far what has been before COVID-19, remote working has been as need basis, and working from office has been the norm. Post COVID, that is flipped. What is going to happen is, working from remote is going to become the norm, working from office is going to be as need basis. So this is not an Indian culture, this is a global phenomenon. So what is going to happen is that once it becomes a remote, becomes an option, is going to become the norm. Whether you are remote sitting in California or Texas or New York or in Chennai or in Delhi or Bangalore or somewhere in Europe, doesn't matter. Remote is remote. So what's going to happen is the overall business mindset, the working people are getting, companies are getting, clients are getting used to working remote. So what they are going to do is that going forward, they are going to be more open for offshore, because offshore is remote. They don't care as long as they have the talent and they are able to deliver. Going forward, they are going to less mind. So before, previously, there was not all the companies were open for offshore or remote working. Now they are open, which is going to be very positive. So I think for offshore, there is going to be significantly more business coming.
That means now going to the office will become the option and working from home will become the default.
That is going to be the norm. That's yes, absolutely.
Have you noticed any changes in the hiring process after COVID?
I'll tell, we can personally say this. Before, what we used to do is that Agilisium itself in offshore, we were restricting all hire to Chennai. We were only hiring people Chennai who could come to our office. Uh, right now, in Agilisium itself, we are open. We are hiring talent in anywhere in the country. As long as they are able to work, we are willing to hire from anywhere. So we ourselves have opened because as long as they are able to work remote, and we are expecting most of our, even after post COVID, we are expecting to have remote working as a part of our business model. So we think that has changed. That is a mind shift. We used to, we ourselves, going before COVID, remote was kind of as needed. Going forward, post COVID, now we are thinking remote is going to be part of our business.
So that has opened the doors for you to hire outside of the Chennai area.
Exactly. Yes, we are not now limited to only Chennai. We are going to start looking at anywhere in the country. As long as the talent is available, we are going to be open.
So, in your opinion, the hybrid office model is going to become the norm. So, do you feel this is a positive change?
Absolutely, absolutely. Because it's a very positive change. Because in many ways, in a social way too, people are don't have restricted to be these high expensive real estate cities. They can be in some faraway places, work mostly remotely as needed. They can come to office. We can hire talent from different parts of the country and the different parts of the world. So that is also going to work favorably for us. And also even part time, if people are only willing to work for whatever part time, we are going to be open for that also. If it works out, if there is a need like that, and if they are also a fitting, we are going to. So it opens up many doors which were previously not open, or at least we were not open. So now our clients are open, we are open. So definitely, it's I see a lot more opportunity because of this, uh, rather than challenges.
Well said. Now, the final question I have is, with all of these changes, how has Agilisium as a company done compared to pre-COVID?
From a business point of view, we have done fine. We have not. We were lucky enough, fortunate. Even though some of our customers were media and entertainment industry, media and entertainment has been kind of affected. We are fine. Overall, our business is fine. We are growing. I think we have added a lot more newer technology, and I think really this with this remote working, the challenges before in the talent, all that stuff is going to become lesser because we have more options, we are more open. I see lot more opportunities post COVID, because we are able to do a lot more things, we are able to hire a lot more people faster. So it's going to be very positive. I'm actually We have actually, even 2019 to 2020 we grew. So 2020, even though COVID year, we grew. And 2021 also, I think it's looking great. Actually, this year is looking very, very, very significantly, because all the medicine is back. All the businesses are feeling positive. We see lot of business opening and lot of demand coming.
That's great. So that means the IT industry, in spite of all the challenges brought by the pandemic, it has managed to come out on top and make the best of the situation.
Yeah, IT industry, I think generally all the companies, all the peers I'm talking to, everybody, they are all doing well. I think I think it's the industries which has been affected is kind of mostly adversely affected is kind of restaurant, heavily dependent on people, theaters and stuff like that. Other than that, most of these other industries, I think, generally speaking, like for example, in US, if you take real estate, is the highest. It's been very, very high. So there are a lot of industries. Some industries have kind of lost because of COVID, but many industries have also gained because of COVID, because of the change. in people's behavior and all that stuff.
That's great. So Ajali CM is managed to rise in spite of the pandemic, and it will continue to do well.
Yep, definitely. We are adding more technology to our portfolio. We are actually now becoming more and more full stack. So previously we used to be data engineering, but in addition to that, we are adding a lot of DevOps and full stack. There is huge demand in full stack. So I see a lot of more business coming from there.